Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Khadeejah, and I'm really excited for Jannah Institute's summer semester of online classes. Inshallah, this summer, we'll be starting a class for high school girls on the Seerah, or life and biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best and most excellent role model for us. His life is full of amazing stories and lessons. And the goal of our class will be to get to know him. Because when we know him, we love him. And when we love him, we want to be like him. So inshallah, in our summer semester, we're going to look at the first half of the Makkan Seerah. So starting with his birth, his childhood, his teenage years, his life as an adult, of course, the story of the first revelation, and the first few years of the prophetic mission, along with stories of the companions, radiallahu anhum. May Allah be pleased with them. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope to see you all in class. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.